Happening. I'm gonna do the.
Oh no.
Oh!
Did it break?
Yes! Our mirror broke. Oh my god, it died.
Welcome to Dollhouse Beautiful.
Hi, I'm Peti Lau. I'm a designer both in Los Angeles and in New York. My first reaction to being asked to design the dollhouse was like, ah! Because I've never done a dollhouse before. I'm not crafty with my hands. And I literally was like, oh my God, this is the funnest idea, but like the most challenging because I have to do everything myself. And I just started like flipping out. A group of my girlfriends who are also designers, we all went to Paris in January and we decided to basically shop like crazy. And that was the inspiration of my Aristo Freak Maison, Pied-à-Terre. Aristo Freak is this very eclectic, worldly, kind of a romantic vibe. I think that would be the best way to describe my style. It's very eclectic. We want to have it like kind of feeling like very lived in. So that's kind of the vibe that we want to create. Not too perfect, everything's kind of beautifully set, but there's a very lived in feeling to the decor. Okay, let's get started. Upstairs, we have the bedroom suite. We painted the floors kind of in a whitewashed color, which is also another beautiful pharaoh and ball color that we loved. So this is an amazing wallpaper from Vale.
I was across the table from Melinda, the designer and owner of the Vale London. And so we were talking about her wallpaper line and her fabric line, and I had mentioned that I was helping Peti on this project, and she offered to have it scaled down, her wallpaper scaled down, so that we could use it in the dollhouse.
The bathroom is really fun. The bathroom is just like kind of like the dressing area with our little Chanel and the bathtub behind, and of course this cute little chandelier that really focuses this part of the space. I love to use like kind of traditional laces and linens for my window treatment, so definitely found a beautiful collection up there. The carpet is this amazing kind of like Persian rug, but it's a very like interesting rug. I think the rug really grounds the room. So the second floor is my favorite floor. It's the Grand Salon. I love a good herringbone floor. My favorite hotel in Paris is Hotel Coast, and really created the theme. To me, I think it's so Aristo Freak because it just has this beautiful like old glamour, but it's still like contemporary. It's just so like of the moment, I think. And it really set the tone for my kind of Hotel Coast inspired Grand Salon. Happening, I'm gonna do the.
Oh no.
Oh!
Did it break?
Yes! Our mirror broke. Oh my God, it died. But I salvaged it.
7 years of bad luck or not?
Oh my God.
mirror
Well,
broke.
the mirror.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. That's 7 years. Does that
Chandelier looks so good.
does that still apply? Oh my God, that was like a disaster. It was like. This whole scene is basically like, you know, there's a big party that would just happen and there's a bunch of wine bottles and everyone, this is from last night, and we were all entertaining and there was lots of music, and I love having like the little music station in the corner and having a harp that's so like romantic and having a grand piano. It's the space where the focal point obviously is the amazing wallpaper. It's a very Gucci-esque kind of wallpaper. This floor tile, which is actually a real floor tile that I love from Studium. And the real one has brass inlays, which I think is amazing. I just love the floor tile for the ground floor. The color of the kitchen is still very like rustic-y. It's still really chic, still very like livable. I would live in this kitchen. wallpaper that I thought we were gonna use for the ceiling actually turned down into the kitchen because the original wallpaper that I wanted to use got swapped out because the wallpaper from Vale London was so good and it would be lost in the ceiling. So I applied it downstairs in the kitchen, which I think is really great. I like to create different spaces, like different heights. I did keep the floor really open. I really like the idea of having a very open concept, but just kind of subdivided into different areas. I think that's a really nice way to live. My 12-year-old self would be so proud. My current age self is so proud. It's super eclectic. I think the star was really the Vale London wallpaper. It just fits this kind of very like traditional but modern, and it's very Aristofreak. It's very like updated modern, which I think is so cool. I think the most challenging thing was like cutting the wallpaper. The wallpaper was really hard. I was really nervous about the scale and I didn't know how things fit inside of it and how much depth. So I thought that I was overbuying. And to our surprise, we actually didn't overbuy. Everything fit perfectly inside. I have this kind of like fine tension between like a lot, but just enough. Those tiny little details. I had so much fun building this house. I can't wait for you all to come and party at Maison Aristofreak. Thanks for watching Dollhouse Beautiful.